Loading Farm Guy here, and this is Fish Food Factory Small by InsaneSimGuy on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro here on the Four Fields map, and yes, so this is described as being 50% or half the production of the regular one. 50% production rate of the large buildings. So, what's going on here? You will need to have the Highlands Fishing Expansion DLC. Excuse me. This one right here, Highlands Fishing Expansion, for this to work. Otherwise, it's completely useless because it makes fish food. And you really don't use it for anything except for fish, and fish are only available if you have that DLC loaded onto your map, which I do have here. All right. Where do you find it? Find it under factories. There it is. $36,000. How does it compare to the, let's see, Fish Food Factory here? Well, $270,000 for the DLC version. So, yeah, it is quite economic. Inputs go here. So we have inputs of, well, various kinds. As a matter of fact, we have 4 different recipes. They all have flour and soybeans as the main component, and then we have canola oil, olive oil, rice oil, and sunflower oil. All the same recipes, 72 cycles per month, 50 liters of fish food per recipe. So as you can see, I have had it running for a month. Fish food, 1,500 liters, and we have spit out 2,000 liters per pallet. So about 3,500 liters per month for each recipe. And there it is, Fish Food Factory Small. Thanks for watching. Till the next one, bye for now.